everyone, how are you doing? Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today I'm really excited because I finally received my base Boxycharm box, so the regular Boxycharm. I did receive my Boxycharm Premium already and I really enjoyed that. If you guys missed that video, I will link that down below. So if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a beauty subscription. It is $25 a month and you get like 4 to 5 full-size items. Typically you get like 5 to 6 items in each box, probably 5 on average. And I love Boxycharm. I've been getting this for a while. It is pretty great. If you haven't subscribed, I will leave a link down below. Usually for new subscribers, you get a gift. This is a referral link, so if you guys sign up with my link, I get like what is called charms. So if you subscribe to Boxycharm, you'll also get a referral link, and when you get enough charms, you can purchase things in the Boxycharm charm room. I have you kind of zoomed in today because we'll be doing both an unboxing and a try-on. So any makeup we get in here, we will be trying on in today's video. So yeah, let's get started and get this open. When I open up the box, this is what it looks like. So there is a card here. It says breaking the ice, and then all of the items are underneath here. I'm really excited. I just saw something I was hoping I would get. So there are variations with Boxycharm. There used to be just a few variations, but now there's a lot. Like I have variation number 25. And I think with my, it's right here if you can see hopefully, my Boxycharm Premium, I think I was variation 31, and I've seen people get higher. So on this sheet of paper, it lists all the items, gives a description, and also the price. So at the end of the video, I will add up the total value. We can kind of determine whether it's worth it, but honestly, it's pretty much always worth it, I think. Man, let's grab the first thing. The first thing, I think I actually already have this, but in a different size. This is by Skin & Co. This is their Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage. So gommage means like scrub in French. So I have a smaller one of this. I think I got it in glossy box maybe? Correct me if I'm wrong. And I do like it. I have it on my bathroom sink right now. So I will definitely be passing this on in a giveaway of some sorts or to a subscriber. Sometimes I like to pick one of you guys, loyal subscribers who comment often, and send you some goodies. So yeah, I already have this. I like it. Let's read about it. So this is $28, so more than the box value itself. Again, I paid $25 for this box. Well, actually, I paid a little bit less than $25 because I paid 3 months at a time, so I saved a couple dollars probably. It says, a delicate exfoliating cream with a rich texture and soothing fragrance, Truffle Therapy Face Gommage is a lush formula combining the best of the iconic Mediterranean lifestyle and a luxury Italian spa experience. A beauty cabinet staple, the Truffle Therapy Face Gommage features sweet almond oil, gentle apricot seed powder, and our unique and exclusive Black Winter Truffle Extract, which has a high concentration of superoxide dismutase, a powerful free radical scavenger that reduces the sign of aging. Gently buff away and erase dull, lackluster skin, revealing a more luminous and healthy complexion. Wow, that makes it sound nice, and I can tell you it is nice. And this is big. This is 150 mLs or 5 ounces. Now the item, I'm so excited. Boxycharm officially has complexion products. So I got the Pretty Vulgar concealer, and I got it in the shade 60 Little White Lies. So this is what it looks like. Oh wow, and this is $25. So hopefully this is a good match. I haven't put concealer on yet today because I was hoping I would get this. So here's the applicator. It's like a little slanted doe foot. I think it can work. It's like the same color as my skin. Usually I like my concealer to be like a little lighter for my under eyes, so hopefully it doesn't oxidize. I'll leave this here and we can look at it. But yeah, I'm super excited that we're getting this. And next month, I'm gonna be getting a foundation because yesterday was the Boxycharm Choice Day. So for those of you who don't know, every month you do get to customize one item in your box, and one of the options was to choose a foundation by Becca, and that's what I chose. So I am loving this. I absolutely love trying new complexion products. I am super stoked. So the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer, $25. So the price of the box, so the value is already there, great. Undercover Concealer is a lightweight gel serum concealer formulated to be hydrating, buildable, and provide medium coverage with a natural flawless finish. Infused with vitamin E and galacto-arabinone if I'm saying that right, to keep skin moisturized and to rejuvenate and improve the skin's appearance. The angled doe foot applicator is easy to use and precisely applies the velvety soft formula to visibly brighten the complexion and cover dark circles. This blendable long-wearing concealer is great for all skin types. I can't wait to try this just a little bit. Next up, we have something here by Manna Kadar. This says it is, or does it say what it is on here? Lip Width in Faith. So there is a seal on it, so let me get that off. This packaging is interesting, so let's see how does this, so you twist it up. Oh, this looks like it's gonna be a pretty color. Let's swatch it. Ooh, it's like a dusty rose shade. I love shades like this. It doesn't seem like it has a scent, so let's read a little bit more about this. So the Manna Kadar Beauty Lip Whip, it is $21. It says a matte lip color that is whipped to perfection, easy to apply and formulated with long-lasting pigments that don't dry out your lips. Can't wait to try it. I think it's so pretty and such like a wearable shade, like in my opinion. I'm going out to dinner tonight for my aunt's birthday, so perfect. Next up, this is a really expensive brand. At first I thought it was something I already have, but their packaging is just similar. So this is by Avant, and this is their 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. I have a primer of theirs. It's like $120. So on the back it says apply a thin layer to clean, dry skin, allowed to absorb into skin, no need to wash off. So it's just like an overnight mask, nice. Yeah, I knew this would be expensive. So it's 50 mLs. That's not huge or anything, and it's $107. That's crazy. I do really like their primer, but I can't justify that price. I'm like, what if I fall in love with this? Like, I do like it, but I would never splurge. But I'm so happy to get it in a subscription box. So it says the 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask works to reveal a more youthful and beautiful skin overnight. It also helps to tighten the skin and lessen the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Nice, I need that. My like fine lines are just becoming more and more prominent lately. So I'll probably use this tonight. I'm happy to have it. Again, crazy price. But I love getting stuff like that in subscription boxes. And the last item in here, this is the item I chose for January. This is by Ace Beauté. I know a lot of people are always like, how do you pronounce it? But according to their website, I think it's Beauté, like booty kind of, but Beauté. So Ace Beauté, this is their Vintage Dawn palette. Isn't that packaging pretty? So they had 2 palettes that were options for the choice, and I can't remember what this looks like exactly, to be honest. But it says the Vintage Dawn palette features 12 colors that are reminiscent of the beautiful sunrises witnessed in various locations around the world, and is a sister palette to our Scarlet Dusk palette. I think that might have been the other option. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. So let's get this out of the outer packaging. Oh, good, and all the shadows are intact. If you guys watch my Boxycharm Premium, I had a palette that came shattered. I did contact customer service, and they have replied to me. They just requested more information, so I think it'll be all good. But this has a mirror in it, and it is pretty. It does look like sunrise. Is that what it said? Sunrise or sunset? So these are the shades there. Hopefully you guys can see it okay, and the light's not making it look any different. So there's like some yellows and orange. Wow, that one shade Horizon, that's like a bright, bright orange. Like crazy. I don't know if I'll be using that today, but wow, that's like very pigmented, very bright. What other one should I swatch now? I'm just always curious about these like bolder shades, like a bright blue. That swatched well. Let's try the yellow Daybreak. I think this is kind of what like drew me in. Yeah, that's like bright yellow. I'm probably gonna do a more like boring look. Like I said, I'm going to like this nice Italian restaurant, my favorite, tonight. So we'll figure it out. I think I'm wearing a navy dress, but yeah, we will be trying this on shortly and seeing how it performs. I have some of their other palettes and I do like them. I just never reach for them. I just have so many palettes. I really like that shade right there. That's really pretty. The Shimmer Golden Hour. And then let's do one more. That is Serenity. Oh yeah, everything is swatching really well right now, so I'm excited to try it. Oh, Cactus. How did I not even swatch this green yet? Do right in the middle there. Oh, Yes, I hope you guys can see. I feel like the camera's like, it's kind of higher up than usual, so I could get this angle of, but yeah, I can't wait to try this. So let's learn a little bit more about this. So the eyeshadow palette is $34.99. It says this eyeshadow palette features 12 colors, reminiscent of sunrises and sunsets. So we already read that, so awesome. So let me add up the total really quick and then we will get to the try-on portion. Wow, so the total retail value is $215.99. I mean, this $107 product did take up like a lot of that, but even when you take away $107, the value is $109, and I paid $25, well, really a little less like I told you. So great value, but yeah, let's try on some makeup. So let's start with the concealer. Just gonna put it under my eyes. I put a little bit on my blemishes already and powdered. It doesn't seem like it's oxidizing at all. It looks like the lipstick is still drying down at this point, but it's almost all the way dry. I'm going in with my Real Technique sponge. Well, that just blended effortlessly. Yeah, I think that looks good. No matter what, like I have creasing immediately because I have lines under my eyes. It doesn't, not really brightening since it isn't like lighter than my skin tone really, but I think it looks good. So I'm just gonna powder my under eyes really quick and then let's move on to the eyes. So what am I gonna do with this palette? There isn't just like a really light shade for transition, so we might just go right in. I kind of want to like use this green shade and the shade next to it because I swatched them by each other and they look really nice. So yeah, maybe I'll just go straight into that green shade Cactus in my crease and go from there. Maybe we'll do like a 2 shadow look. I'll probably deepen out the outer corner though with something. So it's not like super duper pigmented with the blending brush. If I use a different brush, I'm sure it would go on different, like if you want to apply it to your lid. But I don't mind. It's actually working out well for a crease shade. I think I'm gonna go in with the shade like Pyramid. It looks like it's like a brown, like a warm brown. I'm not sure how I like those 2 shades like blending together. It looks kind of muddy, but I don't know if that's just because of the color of it, you know? And I'm not sure how I'm loving like the colors together, but you know, first impressions, just learning it. Let's go in with that golden hour. It looks so pretty. I'm gonna start off with the brush. Oh wait, I was gonna go in with Serenity. Oh, I went in with the wrong shade, but we're just gonna go with it and then I'll put Serenity on top. Totally not the plan I had. Oops. Still pretty, very orange. And now I'm gonna go in with Serenity, that like pretty yellow gold next to Cactus. And just kind of place that on top of the golden hour. Yes, I love that. Well, I'm really up close to the mirror and I really like how my under eyes look right now. So far so good. I'm so excited. I'll keep you guys updated though, of course. Yay. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of that color, that brown shade Pyramid on my lower lash line. Alright, I'm just gonna hop off camera quick and add some mascara and liner and stuff, and then let's try the lip and wrap this video up. Alright, now let's try this Liquid Whip. Is that what it's called? Lip Whip and Faith. So it seems like it's dried down now. I think I heard someone talk about this before and they said it took a while to dry down on their lips, so let's see how it goes. Well, I really love the color. Is it my teeth? I don't know why my first instinct with like liquid lips is like, it's gonna be on my teeth. I don't think it is. I might not, oh now it is. I need to stop doing that thing. Gosh, I feel like when I did that, it came off the top lip. Can you guys see that? That's weird. Where'd it go? I feel like this is drying down really weird. Oh my god. Why is that happening? This was going well. Look at this. Can you guys see like the separation? I'm gonna see if I have a lip brush around. Yeah, here's one I think. Yeah, you guys, I don't like this. It does not look good on my lips. That sucks. I wonder if it's because I had like lip liner on for a while ago. I don't know, I'm gonna keep it on and see how it goes, but did you guys get this product? Did you have a similar thing? I mean, maybe just don't like pat your lips together. I just always do that. Is that weird? Just like spread the product. I'll have to keep playing with it because I think the color is beautiful. So yeah, I don't know about this product, but yeah, well, I'll have to keep you guys updated, but please let me know your experience because that was weird. It's better now that I use like a brush to disperse it, but yeah, I'm gonna see how it looks if I'm gonna wait a little bit, definitely let it fully dry, and then maybe put lip gloss on, and maybe that'll save the day, but it looks kind of weird, but it's definitely better with the brush, so if you guys have a lip brush that happens to you, definitely try that. But yeah, so this box was good. I mean, the lip product, I'm iffy about now, but everything else, super happy with. I really like the eyeshadow palette, and I want to try the other colors really bad, like the oranges and stuff. But I like what I came up with. I don't know much. That green kind of like, you know, went away a little bit, but I really like the shimmers in here. It definitely like is sunrise and sunset palette like the theme or like the name suggests. So I think that's cool that it stuck with that and did a good job with those colors. Definitely reminds me of the sun. Super excited about this. I think my under eyes look really good, and if this looks good all night, this like is gonna be my go-to because I've been struggling in the concealer department lately. Like at the end of the day, sometimes my concealer just looks funky. Like, so I am so happy to try a new one, and it looks promising so far. So this is like by far my favorite item in the box. And the skincare items, again, I'm gonna put the Skin & Co, like the face Gommage in a future giveaway or give it to a subscriber or something. I do have it and I like it. And I can't wait to try this really expensive overnight mask and see how it works because I could use some TLC on my skin. I've been trying really hard, but there are a few days in the past where I didn't wash my face at night. Now I'm paying for it, so yeah. But I think this box was totally worth it. You guys have to let me know what you guys got in your Boxycharm when we twins. There's so many variations now. I'm guessing not many of us have the exact same box anymore, but I would love to hear what you got. I know most people got their boxes already. I was one of the last ones to get it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. If you haven't entered my current giveaways going on, I have some like hidden videos. One is, I'll tell you, it's pretty obvious because it's in the thumbnail. One is in my Ipsy Ultimate. Those end super soon, so check it out. Look and enter those giveaways if you haven't yet already. And yeah, love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!